perhaps we can start with Umar Munshi, Ethis Ventures. Try to pitch to them what you do.
Sure. So we are very focused in what we do. The focus is specifically for Fintech in Islamic finance or the Islamic digital economy. And I mean the lines between what's Fintech and what's not is getting blurred. So we do also work with people or startups in other sectors or subsectors. Yeah, but our focus is mainly on Fintech. So what we do right now is, as a venture builder, we create our own products. Right? We create our own solutions, and the focus is very much right now on the region. My partner in Indonesia, Ronald Wijaya, is heading the Asosiasi Fintech Syariah Indonesia. We have about 55 startups there. I'm heading the Islamic Fintech Alliance, which is a global group of startups. And mainly what we do outside of our own internal solutions is to support the industry as much as we can, in a sense for free. Since you said free, I also have to say free. Yeah, but basically we are here to support, right? Because we believe that we cannot grow alone, and we cannot grow an industry with your own products only. You need to grow an industry with all the different players. And if the players are aligned, and if the players are proclaiming to be Islamic, then we should know and understand that the more you share, the more you help, the more you get. Right? It's as simple as that. The more you give, the more you get. Everyone's risk or everyone's what you call it, your business, your source of sustenance is all set. It's already set for you. You won't be reduced when you help other people when you give to them. It's not reducing your own. You're actually adding more to everyone. Yeah. So this is the philosophy that we have, and we get a lot of different startups from the Islamic economy nowadays coming to us. So if there is a close alignment of the technology, the product, or even the space that they are focused on, then we explore how to joint venture, subsume that entity into our venture builder, or at the very least we try and link them up to the ecosystem as much as we can, to investors, to players, and to the governments. Yeah?
Great things you are doing there, Umar. Thank you so much.
Right.
Perhaps next we move on